Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. Welcome to Cook with Haseeba. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a simple South Indian dish, that's the lemon rice. Now getting into the video. The ingredients I have taken for the lemon rice are 1 glass rice cooked, half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon chana dal, 2 teaspoon peanuts and few curry leaves. 2 onions finely chopped, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 lemon juice, few coriander leaves and some salt to taste. Now in a pan, add 5 to 7 tablespoons of oil. Now I have used 1 glass of rice here. Now you can add the oil according to that. Now once the oil is heated up, immediately add the mustard seeds. Now we have to leave the mustard seeds to splutter. Once it splutters, immediately add the chana dal, or you can also use the mash dal. As the oil is very hot here, it might get burned. Just saute for a few seconds and then add the peanuts. Now I have taken roasted peanuts here, so I am not going to roast them for a long time. If you are taking just raw peanuts, make sure you roast them until golden brown. Just giving a mix and then add the curry leaves. Let the curry leaves splutter. Just give a slight mix. We shouldn't fry the curry leaves here. It should have the greenish color in them. Immediately add the onions and green chilies. Now again we are not going to deep fry the onions. Let it be potato rice or tomato rice or lemon rice or whatever rice you are making. Whenever you make the rice, you have to make sure that the onions shouldn't be deep fried. It should just be transparent, or you can say it should get a slight pinkish color in them. Only then the rice will look good and also it will taste better. I am adding very little salt here because we have already added the salt in the rice while cooking. So adding the salt just for the masala. Give a gentle mix. As you can see, the onions is slightly pink in color now. Now I am waiting for onions to get more pinkish in color or until they are transparent. Now once the onions are softened or transparent, I am going to add the turmeric powder. The powder here gives the real color to the lemon rice. So make sure you are not adding too much of turmeric. Just a little bit for that golden yellow color. If you add too much turmeric, it doesn't taste well. Make sure you add a very little turmeric. Give a gentle mix so that the raw smell of the turmeric fades away. Now once it is done, you can add the rice. Now whenever you are making rice, for let it be tomato rice or lemon rice, you always make sure that the rice shouldn't be too soft. As you can see, every grain of rice is separate from each other. This should be the consistency of the rice. It should be very fluffy. Now whenever you mix the rice, make sure you add the lemon juice on top of the rice in the lemon rice. Because by doing this way, the lemon juice will get well absorbed by the rice and to the masala. And also on top of this, add some coriander leaves just to restore the shape of and the color of the coriander leaves. I am adding it on top instead of adding it in the initial time of frying. Add the lemon juice. Add the lemon juice well and then mix the rice properly. Now usually the masala here will be on the corner of the utensil. So make sure you are mixing it eventually so that every granule of rice should be dipped in the masala properly. Just keep mixing. And now your lemon rice is ready to serve. This is the simplest recipe anybody can make. Now the lemon rice is ready here. You can serve this lemon rice either with bhaji or vadas or any kinds of chutney you like. And if you are using leftover rice from the night, make sure you keep it on stove for a few more minutes just to avoid the fermentation. Now if you like my recipes, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know what recipe you want me to upload next. Thank you for watching.